College of Teacher Education, Prayagraj. College of Teacher Education. Welcome to our official channel.
Hello everyone, this is Kirti, instructor, College of Teacher Education, Prayagraj. So before starting my topic today, I would ask you a simple question. Friends, have you ever wondered why an object thrown upward comes back down? Or why do fruits always fall from trees towards the ground? And how do we all stay firmly on earth without floating away? The answer to all these questions is gravity. In today's video, we will learn what gravity is, how it works, and why it is so important in our daily lives. So the first question that comes to our mind is, what is gravity? Gravity is a force that pulls object towards itself. The earth pulls us and everything around us towards the center. Because of this force only, we can walk on the ground and do not float in the air. The discovery of gravity is mainly associated with the scientist Isaac Newton. According to a famous story, one day Newton was sitting under a tree when an apple fell to the ground. He wondered, why did the apple fall downward and not upward? This curiosity led to the idea of gravity. How does the gravity works? Every object in the universe attracts other objects towards itself. The larger the mass of an object, the stronger will be its gravitational force. For example, the earth is very large, so its gravity is powerful. That is why oceans, trees, animals, and humans, they all remain attached to the earth. Without gravity, everything would float around in the air. Rivers would not flow, raindrops would not fall to the ground, and we would not be able to walk even properly. The moon revolves around the earth because of this earth's gravity. Similarly, the earth revolves around the sun due to the sun's gravitational pull. Then comes the importance of gravity in our daily life. Friends, gravity plays an important role in our daily life. It keeps us standing on the ground. It brings rain down the earth. It keeps oceans and rivers in place. It helps in sports when a ball comes back after being thrown. It keeps our planets moving in the air, orbit in space. Even when we walk, run, or jump, gravity is constantly working. Astronauts even experience weightlessness in space because gravity is much weaker there. That is why they appear to float inside the spacecraft. So friends, today we learned that gravity is an invisible but an extremely important force that keeps the earth and the universe balanced. Without gravity, life on earth would never be possible. That is why the scientific discovery is so important for our humanity. That's all for today. Thank you so much.